Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today's video is all about the Jewelry Making Fun Challenge hosted by Deb Houck of Dahlia Designs. This month is probably one of my favorite months to work with all these beautiful colors that she wanted us to use. And I actually threw in a little extra colors. So she wanted us to use bright yellow, orange, pink, red, and green. Now, I didn't have any green, but in another thing here, I have green. But we've got the pink, and the yellow, and the red, and the orange. And is that everything? And then I added purple and blue. And you probably recognize these from a bargain bead box. This was one of my favorite bargain bead boxes, and I don't remember which month it was. It was in 2023 sometime. It might have been last May, actually. Don't remember. Anyway, I remember opening this up and was very excited about it. And I've sat on this box. I think I made one thing out of it, but I pretty much have sat on it, well, for a year. But the other challenges that are optional that she gave us, let's see, she wanted us to make a floral theme jewelry set and to use brass or bronze, bronze or copper findings. That's what it was. So what I did is I used some brass findings that were they're actually spacer beads. I don't know if you would consider them findings, maybe, because they're spacer beads or bead caps or spacer beads. And I mixed my metals here. I used silver and then, like I said, the brass. It's not really bright brass, but it's not antique brass. And every link is a little different, and I tried not to put things together like this, but they are pretty much some of them together this way. And I'm thinking about maybe making or adding something at the bottom. I don't know. I like the way it is right now, and it's a little bit of a choker style. Now where the green comes in, and a lot of you bargain bead boxers will probably know exactly what box I'm talking about when I show these, because these all came in the same box. And there's my floral design. See the little bumblebees on there? I loved these. I believe these were 18 karat gold filled, and I just used silver ear wires because it's not a really heavy gold, and I think it goes really well. So that's where I get my floral and my green. There's a little green flower right there. But this is going to be great to wear during the summer. I'd like to thank y'all for joining me today, and I hope you go check out all the other participants. I'll leave their links down in the description box below so you can just go click on it and see what they've made for this challenge. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.